to this plan with me video. I thought I would do a voiceover to talk about what I use when I plan or do any kind of journaling, starting with my current planner. So this is a Hobonichi Techo 2023 weeks, and I'm using it for the first time, so very excited about it. And I really love the format of this planner and the fact that there is space on the right to put all my to-dos and just have fun decorating. And here is a quick look at my December monthly page. Now for writing, I very often use this fountain pen that I adore. It's a Waterman fountain pen that I got in high school, and I will put all the links in the description for you to shop whatever you saw in the video that you'd like to try. And then we have some other pens that I use frequently. Here we have the very classic midliner ones. And I have a few other colors, but these are the ones I currently like to use. And I love that they have two different tips. And then these pens are my favorites to write with when I want to switch from my fountain pen. The brand is called Emote. They have a very fine tip and are super comfortable to write with, and there's a very large range of colors to choose from, so I love them. They have an online store, although I don't know if they ship overseas, but it's worth a try. And then we have these very cute clips I got from Stationery Pal. They're based in Asia, but they do ship everywhere, I think. I'm pretty sure they ship like in Europe at least. So yeah, they're a really good online store. And moving on to this adorable pouch that I got years ago in a store in Paris. It is Japanese, but I couldn't find the exact one online, but I will link some that are similar. And I'm using this pouch to store some tools I always use and need. First, this glue tape from Muji. I stopped using glue sticks after I discovered this. It's just so much better, trust me. Then we have this cute little foldable trash can that I made myself. I followed a tutorial by Rainbowholic on YouTube, and I will share the link with you as well. This is truly a must when I journal and I need to throw away things easily. And it really doesn't take a lot of space and you can bring it everywhere with you. And I just use this tiny clip to hold it in place. And of course I have my trusty tweezers that I use to place stickers more easily. And I just find it super fun to use, honestly. And finally I have this acrylic stamp block that I use for my clear stamps. You just stick the stamp onto it, add your color, and you're good to go. And there's a lot of different sizes available, and it's really useful when you collect a lot of clear stamps like me, because it's honestly a pain to just use them on their own. So yeah, it's a must. And another favorite that I own are these beautiful scissors. They look so fancy, and I just paid like maybe less than 10 euros for them. I'll try to find a link because I got them at random in a store in Tokyo, but I'm pretty sure you can find them online, so I'll try. And here is my little clear stamp collection in this pom-pom-purin pouch. I want to do a tour of my stationery collection someday, but for today's video, this is the one I'm gonna use. I really love it. I got it recently at a big stationery convention in Tokyo. And here are the color pads I use. They're from Versa Magic. And today I'll use the Jumbo Java, which is just a really pretty brown color. Okay, so now let's just start planning together. I'll put on some relaxing music and you can just grab a hot drink and enjoy the rest of this video. Bye!